Today we are here with the Mommy Aubrey Lola. What would you like to say to us today, Mommy Aubrey Lola?
Thank you
Thank you for what?
for the message. And who are you?
I don't know.
Papa, you're too loud. And this is Papa. And he's bigger than me because this is my daddy, Papa. He's too loud.
Yes, he is.
And he's bigger than the other kids. But the other kids are smaller than me. And he's smaller than me.
But you're a big mummy girl, aren't you?
Yes, I am. And